This isn't your grandfather's capitalism. Globalization, AI, decentralized finance, they have reshuffled the rules of the game. This is part 2 of our capitalism series. This will look into why capitalism isn't dead, but it is just evolving into something far more complex. Let's get into it. Now, the ladder is burning. Here is why. Technology eats labor. AI is replacing white-collar jobs now, not just factory work. Access trumps ownership. Think Uber, Airbnb, streaming, not Ford and real estate. Narratives are greater than numbers. Today's markets trade more on memes and momentum rather than fundamental value. The game board has definitely changed. We are witnessing the rise of new capitalist class, not just corporate CEOs, but founders with tech leverage, influencers with audience leverage, coders with decentralized protocols, retail traders with meme-driven coordination. In old capitalism, wealth came from owning factories. In today's capitalism, wealth comes from owning code, attention, or capital flows. Now, these are the 4 new rules of modern capitalism. Leverage is the new labor. One person with code or capital can move markets. Markets are narratives. People invest in stories, not spreadsheets. That is why Dogecoin can moon and WeWork can collapse overnight. The state and the market are merging. Governments bail out corporations. Surveillance is baked in. That is, capitalism now feeds on data, your preferences, your clicks, and your health. So, how do you play this new game? Own assets, not just the labor. Stocks, startups, tokens, IP, brand, anything that scales without you doing all the work. Understand the systems, steady game theory, incentives, algorithmic bias. The winners know how the platform works. The losers, unfortunately, just use it. Think in global timeframes. Geopolitics matters. Currency risk matters. Energy and defense now shape markets directly. Don't just hustle. Build leverage, media, code, capital, or community. Choose your edge. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Modern capitalism is producing billionaires in their 30s. Entire populations locked out of asset ownership. But it isn't all bad or doom. If you understand how the game works, now you don't have to become a victim of it. You become a master of it. Capitalism is not dying, it is mutating, and the future belongs to those who can adapt, decode, and invest accordingly. Now, drop a comment. What is your biggest takeaway from the new game of capitalism? And as always, like and subscribe.